Hello friends, this is Deepak Sudhar and you welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. In this video today we are going to discuss about most important MCQs of the short story The Gift of Magi, which is written by O. Henry. Before we start the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. This content will help you for online examinations, NET SLATE examinations, and other literature quiz as well. So now let's begin it. If you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Again, I am telling you, because many more videos we have uploaded and we are going to upload many more videos of the different chapters or short stories. So this is first chapter of BSM 1, and after that we are going to also upload second chapter. All the total 5 units link is given in description. You can check out the links and you can prepare for your online examinations. Okay guys, now let's get started. First question: how much money does Della have? Options: $1.80, B $1.18, $1.87, D $1.78. So now the correct answer is, now let us see correct answer. Yes, $1.87. So C is correct. Next question: what does Della want to do with money? So let us see the option. A, pay the rent. B, buy a Christmas present. C, buy food. D, give it to her husband. So let us see the answer. Yes, B, buy a Christmas present. So friends, please pay attention over here on the screen, so you can't, you will not forget the answer, because these are very most important questions. Next question: how much money does the couple pay for their apartment per week? So options are $18, $80, $85, and the last is $8. Now the correct answer is $8. So $8 is the correct answer. Next question: what is the last name of the couple in the story? What is the last name of the couple? So Brigham Young, Dillinger Young, Dillingham Young, or Llewellyn Young. So the correct answer is C, Dillingham Young. Next question: what happened to Jim's salary? Let us say options. A, it was reduced from $30 per week to $20. B, he was fired. C, Della spent it. And D, he used it to pay the rent. What happened to Jim's salary? So the correct answer is, it was reduced from $30 per week to $20. Next question: what does Della do for extra money? So the options are: she cuts hair, she sells her hair, she gets a job at the hire goods store, D, she models her hair. So the correct answer is, she sells her hair. So for extra money, Della had sold her hair. Next question: what does Della give Jim for a gift? Options are: a chain of his pocket watch, B, pocket watch, C, a watch fob, D, a couch. So the correct answer is A, a chain of his pocket watch. Next question: how old is Jim? Options are 32, B 22, C 21, D 1 year older than Della. So the correct answer is B 22. 22 is the correct answer. So he was 22 years old. Oh, Jim. Okay, next question. What does Jim give Della for a gift? Options are a couch, B a stove, C hair comb, D table. So the correct answer is C hair comb. Next question. What does Jim do to have the extra money for Della's gift? Options are A works later, B ask for a salary increase, C sells the couch, D sells his watch. So the correct answer is sells his watch. Next question. What is another word for couch? Another means synonym. Options A comb, B sofa, C beverage, D table. So the correct answer is B sofa. Next question. How much money did Della spend on Jim's gift? Options are $21, $23, $24, and 87 cents. So the correct answer is A $21. Next question. When was the Gift of Magi published? Options are A 1865, B 1905, C 1953, D 1765. So the correct answer is B 1905. Next question. How long is it until Christmas in the opening of the story, The Gift of Magi? So the options are first week, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Now let us see the correct answer. Correct answer is 1 day. So how long it is until Christmas? Opening of, so 1 day. Next question. What Della do after counting her money in the beginning of the Gift of Magi? So options are she calls for a cab, B she weeps, C she calls her mother, and D she cheers. So the correct answer is B she weeps. Next question. How is the letterbox described as Della and Jim's apartment building? Options are A unable to open due to broken door, rusted, completely shut, permanently locked, and the last too small to hold a letter. Now let us see the correct answer. Too small to hold a letter, D is the correct answer. Next question. How is the electric bell at Jim and Della's apartment described? Options are it is thicky and soft, B it does not work, C it is incredibly loud, D it buzzes non-stop. So the correct answer is it does not work. So it doesn't work. Next question. Della's hair and Jim's watch have always been a source of. Options are pride, B nervousness, C anxiety, and D shame. So the correct answer is A pride. Next question. What does Della sell to raise additional money? Options are A. Their wedding chain. B. Her mother's wedding. C. Her long hair. And D. Her locket. So now let us see, the correct answer is C. Her long hair. For extra money she sold her long hair. So that is the questions that we also have seen before that. In somehow it got changed. Some words got changed. Now let us see next question. How much did Della have initially to spend on Jim's gift? Options are A. $21.87, $1.87, C. $20, and D. $60. So the correct answer is B. $1.87. Next question. What does Della worry about regarding her husband? Options are A. That he would not like her gift, that he will no longer find her attractive. C. That he did not purchase a gift for her. And D. That he will be angry at her for spending too much. So the correct answer is she was worried about that he will no longer find her attractive. Next question. What does Della buy for Jim? Options are a better wedding ring, B. a chain for his pocket watch, C. a moleskin wallet, and D. a fine cigar. So the correct answer is B. a chain for his pocket watch. Next question. What does Jim buy for Della? What does Jim buy for Della? So options are A. locket, B. gets their chain out of pawn, C. a better wedding ring, and D. hair combs. So the correct answer is D. hair combs. Next question. How much did Jim make every week? Options are $8, B. $30, C. $20, and D. he did not make any money. So the correct answer is C. $20. Next question. What were the two valuable items Jim and Della own? So these are the options, and we have finally the answer: Della's hair and Jim's watch. Next question. What gift did Della buy for Jim? Options are gloves to go with his overcoat, B. polish for his shoes, C. a chain for his watch, D. she didn't buy him anything. So the correct answer is C. a chain for his watch. Next question. What gift did Jim buy for Della? Options are he didn't buy her anything, a necklace, combs for her hair, and more books. So the correct answer is C. combs for her hair. Next, you have to remember who buy for whom. Okay, here see what gift did Jim buy. So Jim buy for Della. Okay, so what comes for her head? There are many things described or mentioned in this story, so you have to aware that which thing is given to whom. Okay, next question. What did Jim sell to buy Della her gift? Options are his overcoat, B. he did not sell anything, C. his shoes, and D. his watch. So the correct answer is D. his watch. Next question. Who is the author of the story The Gift of Magi? So there are options now. Let me read it. Ernest Hemingway, Lois Lowry, Mark Twain, and D. O. Henry, that we known as William Sidney Porter. These questions can be asked. What is the another name of O. Henry? अथवा who is William Sidney Porter? So O. Henry or William Sidney Porter. So now let us see. The correct answer is it's normal. It's easy for everyone. Yes. So O. Henry or William Sidney Porter is the correct answer, as everyone know. Okay. Next question. Why is Della worried about money? Options are: she wants to buy her husband a Christmas gift. B. Della owes money to the man at the food market. She wants to buy new combs for her hair. And Della's husband does not have a good job. So the correct answer is A. She wants to buy her husband a Christmas gift. Okay. Next question. What does Della go to Madame Sophrin's shop? So the options are: Della wants to borrow money from Madame Sophrin. B. She is buying a gift for her husband at Madame's shop. C. Della works at the shop with Madame Sophron. And D. She is selling her hair to Madame Sophron. So the correct answer is D. She is selling her hair to Madame Sophron. Next question. What does Della do with the money from Madame Sofroni? So the options are: Della uses them to buy food at the market. B. She uses it to buy a new watch for Jim. C. Della uses the money to buy a watch chain for Jim. And D. She gets a haircut to look nice for Christmas. So the correct answer is C. Della uses the money to buy a watch chain for Jim. See guys, Della do with the money from Madame Sophrin. See, here you have to understand the connotation of the question. Next question. What does Jim give to Della as a Christmas present? So options are: a set of beautiful combs for her hair, a watch like the one he has, a wig to cover her short hair, and D. a silver chain to wear around her neck. So the correct answer is D. a silver chain to wear around her neck. Next question. What do you think? Are you enjoying by watching our video? Hope so. Please, thanks for watching, and do comment if you like this video. We have uploaded many more videos on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel, and must do watch our description. Other chapters links are given in description in it. Share this video with your friend maximum, and visit our blog. Our blog is Vivekananda Academy of Learning.blog. Vivekananda Academy of Learning.blog. When you type this format or interface on Google, you would get to know about our blog. Okay friends, bye bye. Let us meet in our next chapter soon. Links is given in description. Okay, bye bye.